Mixed reference. Mixed reference. It means in Excel, it is a reference where part of the reference is absolute. It means either column or row it is absolute and other part is relative. Here given an example: deposit column, then 3 years, then in the interest percentage, this mixed reference is given in interest amount. Example, in 2018 interest amount, in interest amount we can say the reference. In formula we can say $B4 into C $3%. In first cell we can say column is absolute, example $B, and second cell row number is absolute. In both part we can say a single dollar sign is given. In another cell we can say it is given $B4 into D $3%. Next one, $B4 into E $3%. I am removing this calculated data and we can try how to do this. Equal sign, click on the cell containing the deposit, add a dollar sign into column, then multiplication symbol, then the interest percentage, add a dollar sign into row number, then the last add a percentage sign, press enter. Okay, the calculation done. The most important useful feature in this cell reference is, I am showing you, in single cell we are given the cell reference. We can copy it to down, we can copy it to right. Just I am showing you. I am copying down. Okay, it is calculated. It is 100% correct. Then I am copying to right. Okay, all calculations are done. Just I am checking the calculation, is it correct or not. 3500 in formula bar, check the formula. B4 means the deposit into D3 the percentage, okay, 7% interest rate. Then next one, the deposit same B4, then the percentage 6.5, okay, the cell number is E5. Then check it up the last one, B16, deposit B16, then the percentage E3 Correct. Check this cell. B10 the deposit, and the interest percentage, the 7, it is the cell D3. Correct. In this way we can do the calculations very simply. Lab assignment. Here is sample data regarding earnings, expense and balance. From this data, calculate the percentage of earnings in each month. The second one, calculate the percentage of expense in each month. Third one, calculate the percentage of balance in each month. The format is given here for calculation. Lab assignment 2, a sample data is shown, some product details, sales rep and their sales in different months, commission percentage. From this data, calculate the commission amount of sales rep in each month.